Right, as you can see, I'm in the van and I'm a moving. I'm just leaving all these others here. We've all got to be off today, and it is. I'll just say bye bye. Love you all. Full of it. So I'll just get out on the road. I'm not going home. I'm going to wave bye bye to myself. Look, and I'll catch you all. No, I didn't leave the camera behind. I did stop and pick it up, but now it's on as a bumper cam. I'll show you that here. Still quite well. This is the campsite we're going across now. Still quite a few on here. So you know, it's I'm gone on the gravel, caught a load of dust. There's a big difference. I think this site is £20–25 a night on the racecourse, and we were charging £10 a night on the racecourse itself, only for the show though. If anybody's down this way, it is a nice place. It's beautiful.
Turn right, then turn right.
Even the sat-navs knows where I'm going. I don't know where I'm going. I have been down there once or twice, but I'm going to go the scenic route, and I'll show you where I am. Again, as I said, this is a pub stopover I'm having tonight, and I don't mind giving the pub stopovers out, but I am going to go to a wild camp just to view it, just to see what it is like. I'm not stopping there. I've booked into this pub, so I'll show you what it's like when I get there. Right, well, I've only been driving for about, I don't know, 15–20 minutes from Stratford, and I am heading down to the Cotswolds. I've got to remember to take my camera off the front. Is it still recording? No, it's shut down again as usual. I'll see how much footage I got. Yeah, it's shut down. I locked the fan, so I got to stop and bloody unlock that now. That's how I go. Right, so I'll put that one back in. And yeah, no, I still haven't got my voice back properly. But there again, I have done a lot of talking again this morning. Right, just a quick view of this. I mean, I'm parked there. I'm well off the turning point. I've looked on Google, and in the past I've seen, well, on the Google Maps, it does show that there's a lot of people do park in here. There is a bin in the corner. It's out of the way, like, and there's a lot of rubbish around it. Looks like somebody's pulled over and had a bloody pee out of the van there. But anyway, I'm gonna take a walk down, park the van there. She's locked up, alarms are on, CCTV's on, tracker's on, and I'm gonna go for a walk, because I am led to believe, and looking at Google, that there's a few walks down this way. So I'm gonna go and see. I've only walked 100 yards more, and I can now see the bridges in the front. This is the old A road. I don't know whether you can see, you might be able to hear. The new road has been put in, and a massive new concrete bridge. And it's been there for years, like, but you know, I still class it as the new road. And this is the old road. It wasn't very wide, was it? And this was a major route. Oh, and of course, they put all the new bridges in, and the old ones are the best. They're the best looking. Yeah, this one is narrow though. I bet this was all traffic lights at one time. And we are right on the edge of a village. Can't remember what the name of the village is, but it's, as I say, I'm not putting down where these park-ups are now. Purely to stop the rubbish getting dumped. Oh, dragonflies or what? Let's have a look. Hundreds of dragonflies. I don't know whether you can see them. There's a whole tree as she's at it. She's fell in the river. And it's that one that's stopping all the flow. You can hear water really gushing out of there above the traffic noise. That is fairly fast flowing down there. Oh, this is beautiful. Of course, it's gradually damming itself up, all because of that tree. So I don't know what the noise would be like. I mean, it is way back up that lane. So I don't know what the noise would be like at night time. It is on a crossroads as well, and it is just off the crossroads. What if there's anything down here? Can't see anything. There's another couple of dragonflies. Yeah, they're right. Yeah. Dragonflies love this sort of bulrush and overgrown. And these horseflies, there's horsefly there, and they like me, they bite me a lot. Wow. That's fast flowing. I can see all the whirlpools. But it looks like there's several little streams all gathering together here. Oh no, they're silaging that field by the looks. I used to like silaging. Just going around mowing the grass, smell grass. And I've never really suffered with hay fever. The only thing that I get with hay fever and grass is the stinging eyes. Yeah. It looks like there's a lot of branches come downstream. That's why this is all turbulent. Oh, bloody barn door there. I mean, there's no barriers or nothing on the lane, so I should have thought you could still drive down here. You know, there's you know, I say lots of little pull-ins. There is pull-ins, but of course you're in a gateway, and if you would have parked there, that tractor wanted to get in there, so you wouldn't have done it. You wouldn't have got in. And that just looks like an overflow bridge. Another bridge here. Yeah, and some of the water is coming under this one. So look if there's anything in there. No, there's nothing in that one. Got to be something in there for the dragonflies and like, let's look at that one. It's only a small one. The horse wasn't bad either. She just came out of this field here. Is that a pub? You're telling me that there's a pub at the end of the lane? One will walk up there to see if there's room in a car park to park over there. She just came out of this field. Yeah. Oh wow, it is uphill though. Womble's only like downhills. So, right, I'll bring you back in a few minutes when I'm at the top. Right, I'm at the top of the hill. And this is where that old little lane does meet with the main road. And it is a through fare. I can't see what's on the back of this sign. The trouble is now, the pub is right behind me. And I'm going to have to give away the position. It says it's dead end. But as you just saw, I walked all the way through. And it's the Hereford Bar and Kitchen restaurant rooms. Does look majorly closed. Weeds all up around the doors, so it's not open. There is a garage store. That's the point. I can go over there and get some bread. Or did I fetch any money with me? I'll go and get some bread. There is parking there, but no need because they're not open. They've shut down. There's some beautiful property here. There is some beautiful property. There's the garage store. And there's flowers, everything outside the front down here. Beautiful barn doors. They're pine, not oak. No, it's not a pub. Otherwise there'd be signs out if I think if it was a pub. She was a beautiful little old lady in there serving me. Got my milk, got my bread. Some nice crusty. And she apologised about the pub being shut. She most probably saw me out here. But she said it's been closed for just over 2 years now. Do I want to buy it? Yeah. Notice for sale. It looks nice enough in there. You can see with the camera. Still got the opening times on there. Definitely overgrown. Nice little patio area at the back. And it does say bed and breakfast on there as well. But that's a nice little business for someone. Oh, that little old lady, she was nice in that shop. But that bread looks fantastic. And I'm going to really enjoy that with a bit of cheese. Yeah. Good old Edam. Cup of tea. I'm at the inn on the marsh. Lord was ever so nice. They're not open during the... They're open at lunchtime, but then they open again at 5:30 in the morning. And I was quite surprised. The food was fantastic. I'll show you a list of food, and it was so cheap as well. I couldn't believe it. It's right on the edge of Morton-on-Marsh, and as you can see, I'm not the only one in here. They turned up. I turned up here 1:30, I think it was, just as he was closing. So I asked if I could park here. He said, yeah, of course you can. He said, we're closed now. He opens at 5:30. So 5:30 wasn't bad. Nice little garden. I dined outside. Well, I've got BT open. I've still lost my voice. I got BT open zone, so I've been okay with internet. It is only 100 yards down the road, and you've got Morton-on-Marsh. Morton-on-Marsh. It is Morton-on-Marsh. And out that way, about 200 yards is Aldi. So there's loads of scope. Yesterday was Tuesday, and it was the open air market in the centre of town. There's quite a few pubs here. I had a drink on the way through, just to quench me thirst. And yeah, I've been talking too much again. The landlord was ever so nice. He was one hell of a character. So again, this is Morton-on-Marsh, typical Cotswold village, Cotswold town. And it was great. The road started around about 5 o'clock. The amount of traffic going through didn't disturb me. Mine, I'm up at 5, 6 o'clock every morning anyway. So that's it. I'm going to edit this video and end this video. Thanks.